In this video, we delve into the world of natural remedies specifically designed to boost vitality for individuals over 50. As we age, it's common to experience a decline in health and energy levels, making it crucial to address these changes proactively. Our purpose here is to unveil a powerful natural mixture that not only enhances muscle strength but also revitalizes energy, helping you feel more vibrant and active. We believe that exploring natural solutions can lead to rejuvenation and improved well-being, encouraging you to take charge of your health. Join us as we share insights and practical tips that can empower you to embrace this stage of life with renewed vigor and enthusiasm, unlocking the potential for a healthier, more energetic you. As individuals reach the age of 50 and beyond, they often encounter a range of challenges related to energy levels, muscle strength, and mental clarity. Aging naturally leads to a decline in physical vitality, making everyday tasks feel more strenuous and reducing overall stamina. This decline can also affect mental sharpness, leading to difficulties in concentration and memory. The emotional toll of these changes can significantly impact one's quality of life, fostering feelings of frustration and diminished self-worth. However, there is hope in the form of natural solutions that can help combat these challenges. By embracing holistic approaches, individuals can regain their vitality, enhance their muscle strength, and improve mental clarity, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and active lifestyle in their golden years. Introducing a powerful combination of 6 specific ingredients meticulously crafted to restore vitality and combat the root causes of aging. This unique mixture takes a holistic approach, addressing multiple health issues simultaneously, including energy depletion, muscle weakness, and cognitive decline. Each ingredient has been selected for its unique properties that work synergistically to enhance overall well-being. By targeting various aspects of health, this blend not only revitalizes physical strength but also supports mental clarity and emotional balance. As we delve deeper into this transformative mixture, you'll discover the remarkable benefits of each ingredient and how they contribute to rejuvenating your body and mind. Get ready to explore this exciting journey toward renewed vitality and a more vibrant life. The first key ingredient in our vitality-boosting mixture is Peruvian maca, a root vegetable that has been revered for centuries in the Andes Mountains as a powerful vitality booster. Traditionally used by indigenous people, maca is known for its ability to enhance energy levels and overall stamina. One of its remarkable benefits is its support for natural testosterone production, which plays a crucial role in maintaining energy and vitality as we age. Additionally, maca has been shown to positively impact libido for both men and women, enhancing sexual desire and performance. By incorporating this ancient superfood into your routine, you can harness its energizing properties and experience a renewed sense of vigor and passion in your life. The second ingredient in our revitalizing blend is powdered ginger, a powerful root known for its impressive health benefits. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger plays a crucial role in reducing chronic inflammation, which is often linked to various age-related health issues. Many individuals have experienced significant pain relief and improved mobility after incorporating ginger into their diets, making it a valuable ally for those dealing with joint discomfort or stiffness. Personally, I've found that regular use of ginger not only alleviates aches but also enhances my overall sense of well-being. Its ability to support digestion and boost the immune system further underscores ginger's importance in promoting overall health and vitality, making it an essential component of our natural remedy for rejuvenation. Introducing turmeric powder as a crucial ingredient in our vitality-boosting blend, celebrated for its remarkable medicinal properties. The key component of turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that has garnered attention for its ability to combat inflammation at the cellular level. This makes turmeric particularly significant for individuals seeking relief from chronic pain and discomfort. When selecting turmeric, it's essential to choose pure turmeric without fillers to ensure you receive the maximum benefits of curcumin. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can lead to improved mobility and a noticeable reduction in pain, allowing you to engage more fully in life's activities. With its potent healing properties, turmeric stands out as a vital ingredient in our quest for enhanced vitality and well-being. Cinnamon powder is a valuable addition to our vitality-boosting mixture, offering a range of benefits that are particularly important as we age. One of its key advantages is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can significantly impact overall health and energy. By maintaining stable blood sugar, cinnamon supports metabolic health and reduces the risk of age-related conditions. Additionally, cinnamon exhibits synergistic effects when combined with other ingredients in our blend, enhancing their overall efficacy and promoting better absorption of nutrients. Beyond its health benefits, cinnamon also adds a warm, delightful flavor to the mixture, making it not only nutritious but also enjoyable to consume. This combination of health and taste makes cinnamon an essential component of our natural remedy for vitality. The fifth ingredient in our revitalizing blend is pure cocoa powder, celebrated for its rich antioxidant content and numerous health advantages. Packed with flavonoids, cocoa is known to support brain health by improving blood flow and enhancing cognitive function, making it a valuable ally for mental clarity as we age. Additionally, cocoa has been shown to elevate mood thanks to its ability to stimulate the production of endorphins and serotonin, which can help combat feelings of stress and anxiety. To maximize these benefits, it's essential to use unsweetened cocoa, as it retains the highest levels of antioxidants without added sugars that can negate its positive effects. By incorporating pure cocoa powder into our mixture, we not only boost vitality but also promote a happier, sharper mind. Introducing creatine as the final ingredient in our vitality-boosting mixture, it plays a significant role for older adults. As we age, natural creatine stores in the body decline, which can lead to reduced muscle strength and overall physical performance. This decline not only affects mobility, but can also impact daily activities and independence. Research has shown that supplementing with creatine can enhance muscle strength and improve brain function, making it a vital component for maintaining both physical and cognitive health. By supporting muscle mass and promoting mental clarity, creatine helps older adults remain active and engaged in their lives. Emphasizing the importance of creatine in our blend, we aim to empower individuals to sustain their independence and vitality well into their later years. To prepare this life-changing mixture, gather the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of Peruvian maca, 1 tablespoon of powdered ginger, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder, and 5 grams of creatine. Begin by combining all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, ensuring they are well blended for an even distribution of flavors and nutrients. Once mixed, transfer the mixture to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place to maintain freshness. For optimal results, incorporate this mixture into your daily routine by adding it to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. By making this simple addition to your diet, you can harness the powerful benefits of these ingredients and enhance your vitality every day. Using this powerful mixture can lead to a range of potential benefits and improvements for aging individuals. Many users report noticeable enhancements in energy levels and mood within just a few weeks of consistent use. While overall health improvements may take a bit longer, typically around 1 to 3 months, the holistic benefits of this blend extend beyond just physical vitality. It also supports mental clarity, emotional balance, and improved mobility, contributing to a more fulfilling lifestyle. To achieve optimal results, it's essential to incorporate the mixture consistently into your daily routine. By doing so, you can unlock the full potential of these natural ingredients, empowering yourself to embrace this stage of life with renewed vigor and enthusiasm. Stay committed and enjoy the transformative journey toward better health. In summary, we've explored the importance of our natural mixture for rejuvenation after the age of 50, highlighting how its carefully selected ingredients can enhance energy, muscle strength, and overall vitality. This blend not only addresses the physical aspects of aging, but also supports mental clarity and emotional well-being, making it a holistic solution for a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with others seeking health solutions. Your engagement helps us reach more individuals looking to improve their lives. Additionally, we invite you to share your own experiences and rejuvenation journeys in the comments below. Together we can inspire and support one another on this path to renewed vitality.